Welcome! In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to use the ShareP app. The process is quick and simple. It only takes a few minutes to get started. Just follow the instructions, and if needed, you can pause the video and go back to previous steps. If you haven't downloaded the ShareP app yet, you'll find instructions on how to do it in the description below the video. Open the ShareP app. Once launched, select your preferred app language. Next, enter your mobile phone number and wait for the verification code. When the code arrives, enter it into the designated field. Now, provide your email address, where you will receive a verification link. Your email will also be used to send information about your reservations. Next, create a password for your ShareP account. Enter it and accept the required terms and conditions. You're all set! Your ShareP account has been successfully created, and you can now start using the app. After creating your account, check your email inbox. You will find a verification link that you need to click. Important: this step is essential. If you don't complete it, you won't be assigned to the employee group. After logging into your previously created ShareP account, you will see a notification prompting you to complete your profile information. You need to enter your first and last name and select your country. To make a reservation, you need to add a vehicle. Enter your license plate number along with the make and model of your car. To make a reservation, you need to find a location. You can do this by entering the location in the search bar or selecting it directly on the map. Available parking locations are marked with a blue P symbol on the map. Select a location and click Reservation. Choose the start and end time for your reservation. A reservation confirmation will appear on your screen. You can check your reservations in the Reservations tab. That's it. Your reservation was successfully completed. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@sharep.io.